everybody, this is Miss Seymour. I just wanted to do a quick video on how I'm using Adobe Sign for my IEPs. My district recently purchased this and it's been fantastic to use and very easy for both myself and for the families. And I often find when we implement technology that it's not always user friendly for our families. And so this has been wonderful. It does not require them to sign in, does not require them to have an Adobe account, nothing like that. You send it to their email, they can get it on their phone, they can get it on their desktop, any of that. It's very easy. On our side, there are some things to keep in mind that I found from using it that I'll kind of touch on, but for the most part, very easy and great. So when you're on your landing page, you're just going to go to request signatures, and then right up here for enter recipient email. And so you're going to put in your emails first for everyone that's going to be there. What I usually do is use the sticky notes program. I will put in everybody's email that was at the meeting so that I can quickly just copy and then paste it in. And then you can also go over to this button right here, click add me if you're going to be signing as well. Normally I'm signing several pages or initialing or putting dates in. And up here at the top, it says complete in order or complete in any order. Honestly, for time, I usually click complete in any order. That way, usually when I send this out right after a meeting, I've got most people are at their computers so they can quickly just sign and keep going. If you do complete an order, sometimes I will do that for an invitation where I know the parent has to sign first that they received the invitation, they're agreeing to come to the meeting, and then I put my initials and the timestamp of the day that I received it. So complete an order is an option. If you're doing a mass, like just, hey, you showed up to this meeting, I usually just do complete in any order. Down here, you can put a message. I don't usually. And then for files, I just go down to my file explorer right here. I click that, and then I go up to quick access. And quick access will allow you to grab any files you recently downloaded or you recently adjusted, which just makes it easier to find things. So I drag that in there. And it says drag more files here. So you can add more files if you would like. You could theoretically add all of your IEP paperwork and have everybody sign everything. The problem in that is that it creates one mass PDF. So when we're uploading it into Synergy, it is not going to be individual files. So for myself, I usually put each file individually in here. And that's why having the sticky note down here is so important because I can just grab and plop in. Now, before I click next, the most important thing on this page, make sure you have everybody that's supposed to be there. Because if you do not, it will not let you go back and adjust it. You cannot add more people once you click that next button. So just triple check you've got your recipients in there. Click next. It's going to process it, hopefully for not too long. And then you can go down here and they have these little lines here. Over here on the right is your recipient. So example IEP at gmail.com is my example, obviously. Normally you have a name in there and it will actually pick up the name from the Gmail account. So all I did was just drag signature over, drop it in, it automatically adjusts it. I'm going to go to example number 2, IEP number 2, second person. So everything is color coded. So if you wanted to put them, have a date over here, so you can go down to signer info, date, and have them actually put the date in. You can do that. You can also adjust this yourself. So if you want the bigger line, however you want to do it. But everything will be color coded. So blue, blue. And then finally myself, I'm going to go ahead and click in here, add this. It's going to adjust it. I'm going to be the color black. I can put in initials if I want. I can put in, if I want to put my name over here. So I type my name and then I sign. However your page needs it, you've got all these fields. You just keep clicking and putting that in. So that is it. That is how you create an Adobe Sign document. Once you got everybody in there, you're just going to click sign, send here. It's automatically going to send it to everybody. When you go to your manage over here, it will let you know who is signed. You also get email updates. It's very easy to use. Thank you so much and have a great day.